Try it.
You gotta do an authentic ho 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 or just a ho ho ho?
1, 2.
I mean, there's 5 trophies, so I mean,
Everybody's gonna win.
Ho, ho, ho! Justin, you came over here to do this, right?
You got told. Oh my word. Uh-oh, here we go. Another ho ho ho. This guy.
Ho, ho, ho!
I was saying he might pass out. He might do it too deep. Oh, here we go.
Ho, ho, ho!
He got closer to the microphone. You gotta get close to the microphone.
Ho, 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 ho! Ho, ho, ho! You'll shoot your eye out, kid.
There you go.
All right, YouTubers, welcome back. My name's Dave, like it always is, and you found do it yourself, do it right. It's Friday evening. It's hot and humid. There's heat advisories, so I'm gonna do the right thing and I'm gonna get in this car with the roof being a magnifying glass like it is, and you know, tries to suck the life out you. I'm gonna get in this car. I'm gonna drive, you know, a mile in that direction, that way. And yeah, they're having a show. It's a Christmas in July show, and well, you know, it's been postponed a couple of times for weather. So, you know, they postponed it to the hottest day so far in New York. So, you know, let's go sweat our butt off again. You know, I didn't get enough of it on Sunday. Gonna do it again on, you know, today, Friday. Let's do it. Alright, so I'm up here to the show, and I did a lap around.
As you can see, there's cars up and down, a couple rows.
But it's like they didn't leave enough space. They got regular cars parked all along here. So you're kind of like, now I'm kind of like way out in the middle of nowhere, which is fine. It's not a big deal. But just kind of a weird setup they got going on here. You'd have thought that it would have, you know, sectioned off the parking lot. But I'm gonna walk around and see a couple of different things that I haven't seen before. There's a Mustang convertible over here and like a Volkswagen, and so the theme is Christmas in July, and people got like, one of the trophies is, you know, you decorate your car like it's a, you know, Christmas time. So yeah, I'll show you some of the craziness that some of these people go to just to win a trophy. Also, there's also a costume contest. So whoever dressed up, you know, in like a Christmassy kind of costume, I'm guessing Santa Claus, you win a trophy for that. And then there's also a trophy for Hawaiian Christmas shirt. So that's a little different, a little fun kind of thing, I guess. So yeah, we'll walk around, take a look at some cars. This guy here is a little different. Got a Greyhound. This is a Ford Roadster with a 350. It's pretty neat. Nice car. Definitely a classic little hot rod look. He's got a for sale sign, but he doesn't really have it posted out. I don't know if it's really for sale or not. Then we have like a, I don't know what you call this. It's definitely different. It's got a, you know, saw blade, big chain. It's kind of like a hodgepodge of stuff, but it's definitely cool. I mean, he's, you know, he's going all out. Bent piston, rod. Oh, look at that! Yeah, got some license plates. That's kind of cool. I like that. That's pretty neat. He's got himself a rebar roof rack. That's approved. And we've seen pretty much all of those cars. A couple of new Camaros, one LE, an SS, and then this here is the Mustang that I said I don't think I've seen before. It's blue. Take a look, see. I think it's a 67, maybe a 68. It's like a really dark blue. It's kind of weird. White top. It's pretty nice. We'll look at the registration. It's a 67. I don't think he entered the show, but, or she. I keep saying he. Now, I'm sorry for all the ladies out there that really like cars and drive old cars. You know, I keep saying he, but, you know, I really mean he, she, them, they, and, you know, everything. A cool Nova. I think his rubber ducky. Put his rubber ducky back up there. Oh, I think it actually goes up here. You see the Christmassy theme stuff they got going on. Christmas presents. 66. Super Sport.
What? 47. Well, I was gonna say, no way. Okay. Okay. I was like, wow.
Nice car. Here's the blue Chevy that I always compliment. Oh, nope, I take it back. This is the blue Ford. Oh. I know I've seen this car. I'm pretty sure I videoed it. So you don't see one of these every day. I mean, you see Mustangs every day. And you could see a 87 every day. But you don't typically see an 87 McLaren every day. I mean, it's in really original condition. ASC McLaren. Limited edition, it says 275 over on the dash, on the tag over there. Really original. Even won a trophy. You don't see a lot of them, obviously. I know it's a little bit newer. I don't really like videoing newer cars, but it's something to, you know, people to look out for. Here's a 35 Chevy Hot Rod. You don't typically see most of the time. I mean, the doors are suicidal. A nice 350 crank motor in there. Power brakes. Makes it nice. Oh, don't step on the running boards. You know, it's got the purple theme going on. It's really cool in there. Really nicely done. Really nice, you know, billet, you know, handles and stuff. So that's really cool. The paint is really nice. If you listen close enough, you'll hear Christmas music playing. So that's a little different. Here's some more Christmassy themed stuff. More Christmas. More Christmas. Now, people do anything to win a trophy now. Here's a Mustang I haven't seen before. $289. Looks like a 65 or a 66. Look at the dash. Yep, there it is. Pretty decent looking car. I'll look at the trim tab to see what it is. I really like the color. Good, how are you? Nice original. I got a couple of vans. We parked next to this one van a couple shows ago. A little different. The owner of the Mustang came up and greeted me while I was looking at his trim tab. It says it's a C code, but you look at the VIN tag, and the VIN tag, it's really hard to read. It's really worn, so take it for what it's worth. A couple of Mustangs, Corvette. You know, they're trying to win the whole Christmassy thing going on here. I mean, they're all out. They even have Christmas stuff on the back. They are in it to win it. Seen T-Bucket a couple times. It's a cool little hot rod. Not really much in the way of new and different cars, unfortunately, but you know, a lot of the same cool old cars. You know, here's a cool Willys. This is the second one that I've seen. This thing is really nice. Wait till you see the engine. I mean, you can't build a Willys without having a giant engine. And those valve covers barely fit in there. Really nice hot rod. Probably, you know, best to show winner right here. And I can't blame him for choosing this one as best to show. It's really nice. I mean, yeah. Who has ever seen a 68 Dodge van before? It says it's a Sportsman. I've personally never seen one. It's a lot of room back there. Do that for a minute.
That's like fruity.
I mean, I know they started the van race in the 60s. I just didn't know that, you know, didn't know it was like 68 Dodge vans. It's definitely the most different here at the show, and I kind of dig it. I mean, this was like before SUVs. It's like tall like an SUV. Barn doors. Definitely different, and the paint is really nice.
We have the
I think this guy said, "Hold my beer," when I said, this is definitely the most different vehicle. I don't even know
what this is. I mean, look at the frame. It's like totally been done. It says it's an international. I mean, it's rusty everywhere, but yet cool. And he's got a nice Harley in the back. Not to mention, it's a dually. I mean, it's like a rat rod slash rat truck slash Frankenstein. I mean, I don't know what you consider this thing. The hood like moves forward. I mean, everything has been fabricated. You know, fabricated for the lights, the hood. I mean, somebody has a lot of time just piecing this together, tacking it up, making it work, making it fit. That's a real fabricator. Wow. This is it's a lot of work. A lot of work right here. The whole back is the same. Fabricated. Just insane. This is a lot of time. A lot of time. Cool. Oh, it's got a Ford steering wheel. I mean, it's a Ford? I don't know. This little hot rod showed up while I was out walking around. I mean, it's well loved, driven. It says it's got a Corvette. Well, it's got Corvette valve covers. It's got fours. I mean, how often do you see that? I mean, this thing is driven. That's my kind of hot rod, actually. You know, dirty, bugs in the screen, in the radiator. You just, whoever this is, just, you know, really drives this car, and that's what I really like. I mean, you'll never win a show with this. You'll never, you know, you'll never take a trophy home. But to that guy, to this guy, it don't matter. He's out here just driving. He's out here just loving it. Probably trying not to die, but you know, that's part of the fun. Super cool hot rod.
Come on, let's go.
So they're doing a ho 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 competition.
You're gonna pay attention because you're gonna clap and tell me who's the best. Okay? So we're gonna get ready. Come on, who else we got?
Go ahead.
I'm not sure. There's got to be a woman representing.
Yeah, I mean,
Where's the women?
There's no women up there. You need to go up there.
Let's go. Come on. Anybody else? We're gonna do it too.
Your
Great.
lady went up there to ho ho ho.
Artie, why are you still sitting down? Let's go.
She said there had to be a woman to represent.
So come on. All right.
Whatever video. Perfect.
Just
You gotta do an authentic ho 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 or just a ho ho ho? I mean, there's 5 trophies, so I mean, everybody's gonna win.
ho ho ho! Justin, you came over here to do this, right?
You got told. Oh my word. Uh-oh, here we go. Another ho ho ho. This guy.
Ho, ho, ho.
I would say he might pass out. He might do it too deep. Oh, here we go.
Ho, ho, ho!
You got closer to the microphone. You gotta get close to the microphone.
Ho, 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 ho! Ho, ho, ho! You'll shoot your eye out, kid.
There you go.
All right, guys. All right, so I just got back to the house, and well, I've noticed a trend. So these little shows that are right here in Johnstown, you know, like I said in a previous video, if you are not in the in crowd, you're not going to get a trophy. I will say that the best in show trophy went to the green Malibu, which is a really good choice. I will admit, I really love that car. It's a really nice car. But they had like, I don't know. There was this Christmas in July, there was like naughty list trophies, and then there was regular trophies. And there was 40 participants, 45, 46, maybe 47, I don't know. And boy, let me say, you know, it took them forever to get through trophies. And wouldn't you know, all of the old folks that sat together, they all got some sort of trophy, one way or another. And, you know, well, I didn't get a trophy, and, you know, I wasn't there for the trophy, but it's just funny to see how these little local shows, how they pan out. Minus the show that was last Sunday, that was actually judged by a different kind. It was one judge, went around, looked at cars, actually knew about cars, actually looked at cars, rather than just some random person that's buddy-buddy with all these people that are putting on the show is the judge, and then they hand out trophies. So, I mean, it's a fun idea. The whole Christmas in July and the Halloween last year, it's a fun idea. I will give them that. It's fun for them to come out and dress up and do whatever, and you know, they're acting all kind of giddy, and the ho 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 contest was funny. You know, that was cool. But when it comes down to judging cars, you know, you can't have the buddy of all these people voting for cars, voting for trophies, and not expect them to be biased. So from now on, I'm just gonna drive to the show, just gonna hang out, have my fill, get some video, and then I think I'm just gonna book it. There's really no way, there's no reason to stay at these shows here, because yeah, you know, it's just you're never gonna win it. I'm never gonna win a trophy. Now if I go to another show further away where this buddy system is, you know, not in place, then maybe I'll stay for the whole show. But I think that's the recipe for you know, so I'm not there all, you know, the whole time, you know, kind of like, I even text my girlfriend, I'm so ready to leave this show, and I should have just left. So anyways, but if you like these cars, you like the content, I'm running out of cars. I'm telling you, I'm running out of cars to video. It's, you know, it's a small town. I'm gonna have to start venturing further out to different shows. If you like this kind of stuff, give me a like, tag, share, follow, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And you know, if you're having these same kind of problems in your little town with the same people, you know, in the car shows, you know, let me know. Put a comment in the box below. And you know, like I said, like, tag, share, follow, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And like always, till next time, thanks a lot.